Morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the Oasis. Coming to you from inside the greenhouse for the first time ever. It's been just over a week, or just about a week since I've been up here. Finished the greenhouse last week. It's held up pretty good this week. We'll find out as more and more winds kick through this winter and see how it does, but I'm relatively confident about the stability of this greenhouse. It's pretty solid, man. It's not going anywhere. Anyway, the reason I'm inside the greenhouse is it's not pissing rain out, but it's raining out a little bit. And I thought I'd get a little tour. Well, you can just see the greenhouse is a greenhouse. I've got a load of gravel coming this afternoon to finish off the floor for it. And then we're going out to get some pallets this morning to build the shelving. So we're going to build the shelving for it. Hopefully get the shelving done this weekend. And I didn't date today. Today's date is October 30th. It's Friday, October 30th, 2020. We're just a few days shy now of the U.S. elections and the insanity that's going to bring. But living in Canada, I don't know how much it's going to impact us, but I'm not sure how much. A lot going on in the world today. There really is a lot going on in the world today. You'll just have to do some research to find out it all, but make sure you're prepared. This video may or may not be timely by the time you watch it, but it is what it is. At any rate, greenhouse is looking pretty good. Sun's just now coming up. It's just after 8 a.m. and we're just getting sunrise now. As you can see, the light is brightening as I talk, which is a good thing. Overcast today, a little bit of rain. Going to be doing lots of miscellaneous things, cleaning up in and around the Oasis and getting things cleared up for the winter garden beds, which I hadn't got to yet. And we'll give it a tour. Yeah, I think we'll give you a little brief tour of the mess it's in right now, so that if I get enough done, we can showcase everything I get done tomorrow. All right, let's go off and go have ourselves a tour of the Oasis. Kiwis are dying, or not dying, but the leaves are dying. It's going dormant. It'll be fine. Leaves are starting to fall off the pear tree. You can see the greenhouse here. It takes up all the space it was expected to take up. While we thought we got in the perfect spot for it, it should have been a little further to the east. Probably about where the blackberry bushes are. I probably should have planned the greenhouse for right there and put the blackberries on the other side, because there's a little more sun happening here than right there. But like I said, it is what it is. So blackberries are looking okay considering they were cropped by the deer, but they're due to die back any time now. Yeah, I can see them starting to die back. Their leaves are starting to die back. The other kiwi vines leaves are all dying back. I got to clean out the corn bed here, get all the corn stalks out of the bed and get the bed cleaned. Got to clean up this old pumpkin vine, which didn't manage to produce pumpkins. I am going to leave the kale, because the kale is a hardy enough crop. It should continue to grow, well, slowly through the winter, early winter months. Provide a little bit extra food. This bed here, I got to pull the last stalk, the sunflower stalk out and get that. I think I'll leave the celery growing, and I've got myself a cabbage plant growing there, so I'll leave that growing and see how it does. Rose is going dormant. Pretty much everything that's going to go dormant is starting to go dormant. Got cabbages here. They may or may not grow. I got to cut the artichoke back. It's not looking good. The vines here are growing dormant. The herbs are starting to go dormant. Got to get the rest of this vine out for the summer squash. There's a couple tomato plants I missed. Looks like I had a pepper plant there. Is that a pepper? Was that a pepper? Ooh, no, don't step in the garden bed. Gotta get down there. was this? It was a pepper plant. I did miss a pepper plant. Well, that may or may not survive. It got frozen really hard. Killing frost may or may not have killed it. Leeks are doing good. We'll be leaving those. This broccoli plant, I gotta yank it out. No need for it to take up space anymore. You know, we'll leave the berries to just go back to whatever. So, oh, wind kicked this ladder over. Oh, leaning against the fence. And reviewing some old videos, I did have a rhubarb in that particular spot right there that somebody dug up and took on me. I have no idea why someone would dig a rhubarb plant out of my garden. So I've marked all my rhubarb plants where they're at so I can find them next year. I don't have to dig for them, hunt for them, or wait for them to sprout. You know, plum trees, I got all this mess back here. This thing's shedding its leaves. You know, I'm not going to build a fire this morning. I got too many, we're going to be in and out too much. Tomorrow I think I'll have a fire while at work. Oh no, I'm going hunting tomorrow. That's right, I'm going hunting tomorrow morning. So we'll see how that goes. May or may not get lucky. Got a lot of stuff to do on the compost bin. Basically, it's just cleanup. It's really all we got here. Cleanup on it all. Try to purtify it, get it all purty and looking clean and useful. I may have killed that poor olive bush. We'll see what happens next year. It got stepped on a few times. Let's go up on top of the deck and get a bird's eye view of the oasis. See how it's doing. Yeah, it don't look pretty from up here. I got a lot of stuff to do. Does not look pretty from up here. Find my gloves and get started. Should get the oasis opened up at any rate and get us started on the day. Got a fair number of things to do. Okay, off we go.
Caught the night train in the rain at a truck stop. I'd been working for a living, pushing a mop. Started in Memphis. It started in Memphis. When you can't say it, you can sing it out loud. When I got to Memphis, all I had were the clothes on my back. For a while I went homeless. On my cap I wore the Union Jack. Started in Memphis. Started in Memphis. When you can't say it, you can sing it out loud. The times when I'm dreaming, I see that old shotgun shack. When I left you below, I never looked back. Heard a new sound on the radio, rolling like smoke. It was true like the blues, it was strong as an oak. Started in Memphis. Started in Memphis. When you can't say it, you can sing it out loud. Times when I'm dreaming, I see that old shotgun shack. When I left you below, I never looked back. Got caught the night train in the rain at a truck stop. I'd been working for a living, pushing a mile. Started in Memphis, When you can't say it, you can sing it out loud. Started in Memphis, When you can't say it, you can sing it out loud. When you can't say it, you can sing it out loud.